What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If that's something you like to listen to, then we welcome you to subscribe. Otherwise, you can support our channel if you just like, share, or even comment down below. It helps our content get out to a wider audience, and we greatly appreciate all the support. So for today's video, we're doing another financial institution review. Now, over the past month or so, I've been doing some more fintech types of companies. Now, fintech companies are really pioneering and changing the way that a lot of consumers, specifically younger millennials and Gen Z populations, experience, the banking and credit services. So the institution that we're going to be covering today is a Philadelphia-based startup fintech company called Cred.AI or CredAI, however you want to say it. So they're actually they were founded back in 2016, but they've been working in stealth for the past 4 years or so, getting their platform up and running. I believe it was back in August 6th that they opened up their beta group. So, what a beta group is essentially before an application or anything like that becomes available to the general public or the masses, there's usually a smaller group that tests out the functionality and you provide feedback before it's actually launched, just so that they could work out some of the kinks and things like that before going live. So the beta group is actually open. You can apply to become a member of the beta group. I'm gonna post a link in the description of the video so you guys can check that out. I did go through the application. It's very straightforward. They ask your name, your your email, things like that. And then there are two open-ended questions. I don't recall exactly what they are, but essentially what they're doing is gathering some information on your experience with financial institutions and how technology can help address, things such as building credit or getting access to financing and things like that. So they're really just sort of eliciting some information from their users, hopefully, and to use that information to make their products and services better. So um, as a reminder too, so like I mentioned, they're a new startup. Some of their notable members are the Philadelphia 76ers superstar Ben Simmons, John Legend, I believe also, and there's a couple venture capitalists, other engineers and hackers. So it's a diverse group in terms of the founding members who've come together to create this new platform aimed at millennials and Gen Z populations. And really, what their whole goal is, based on some of the research that I've done, a lot of the traditional big banks, really don't address the needs of a lot of the younger population. So they're coming in, CredAI is coming in to kind of fill that void. There was also some research as far as there being a certain level of distrust when it comes to younger populations and big banks in the financial system. So they're offering some products and services to really address the needs of younger population. So I'm going to go into some of their products and services. So one of the great things about this particular product, or platform rather, they have what's called a Flux Capacitor, which it lets you access your spending power based on future deposits. So let's say if you're getting paid on Friday and it's Wednesday, you can get access to the full amount of your paycheck before it even hits your account. I know there are some other banks and institutions out there who are already offering this, but this is a great, service. In addition, they're also offering, among other things, a stealth card. So the stealth card is a temporary credit card number, and based on their website, they say it's for it's a self-destructing card for shady activity. So what they mean by that is, let's say you are purchasing something online where you have to provide your credit card number. Now, instead of providing your actual credit card number that's on your credit card, you would just provide a temporary, like one-time use type of, you know, card number so that it's only valid for that one-time use or within a certain time period, so that someone just doesn't have access to your credit card. And it's really geared towards preventing fraud. So I think that's a really good feature and functionality. They also have what's called the Cred Optimizer. Now, based on the description, it's designed to manage the balance of your credit card in order to optimize your credit utilization. So it's in a sense, an automated credit optimizer. So they're making sure that your utilization is at a good level so that you're still building your credit and not negatively impacting your credit. Now, how that works out mechanically, I'm not quite sure how they're going to implement that, so that'll be interesting to see. In addition, and most importantly, they have the Unicorn credit card, which is all black metal credit card. There's no fees, there's no rewards, however, which is one of the downsides, I guess you could say now, but it's an all black metal card, and it's designed to help younger populations, millennials, Gen Zs, build credit and also just become more financially responsible. So it'll be interesting to see how this CredAI platform pans out. From what I've seen so far, they do have some unique trademark products and services within their platform. So if you're interested in becoming part of the beta group, I'll post a link in the description. Also, one other very, very important thing I wanted to let you guys know about the beta group is so if you become a part of the beta group, you're eligible for $10,000 in cash prizes. So they'll be awarding up to 3 members of the beta group $10,000 in cash prizes. So definitely go check that out. And basically, yeah, that's all I wanted to really review on the Cred AI platform and Unicorn credit card. Definitely sounds like a pretty interesting fintech startup. Again, I think these fintech companies are really, pioneering in trying to change things in terms of the banking and credit and financial experience for a lot of younger demographics and consumers. So if there's anyone who has any additional information on Cred AI, definitely let us know. This is just something to maybe have on your radar. It looks like they're going to be offering some pretty unique services within the credit and banking space. So definitely stay tuned. I'll be posting some additional update videos as more information becomes available, but I just wanted to let you guys know about this new fintech startup CredAI, and they have some really exciting things in the pipeline. So that's all I wanted to share for this video. Until next time, y'all take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.